welcome to my YouTube channel. Janae Simon here. Welcome to my room tour. I thought I would start off in my front room to give you like a little bit of a surprise. A lot of people, when I post my room up on Snapchat, they're like, oh, it looks so nice, where'd you get this from, where'd you get that from? So I thought, oh, let me just do a room tour and tell everyone where I got everything from. And I did it on a budget, so you'd be surprised. I made my room look really nice on a small budget. So yeah, let's go to my room. New here. No, I'm joking. So yeah, this is the doorway to my room. So this is the first, I think, thing you can see. Let me get out of the way. When you step into my room or step like you're going into my room, the first thing you see is the mirror. I absolutely love this mirror. I waited like, I think maybe 3 weeks to nearly a month for that mirror. The first thing what happened was they sent it, and then I'm emailing, they're like, oh, it's out for delivery today. Emailing, no delivery. I'm like, where is my mirror? Like, are they taking the mick? Long story short, the mirror got broken on its way to me. I had to then decide if I wanted the mirror still. If I did, they would take back the broken one and get me a new one. So then they did that. And it took another month. Like, I waited so long for this mirror, but it was definitely worth the wait. I'll show you deeper view. We can go inside. Let's go inside. And it was everything I wanted. I think it just had that like Peruvian, Russian, I don't know, wall mirror. It just had antique. It spoke antique to me, and I thought, yeah, that's the kind of look I want in my room. And it matches the colour theme that I've got going on, which is, as you can see already, silver. What is this called? That everyone is hating on now all of a sudden, but I love it because it's what I wanted. It's what I had on my vision board when I first visualised my room. So yeah, what is it called? How's it gone out of my head? Velvet, crushed velvet. So yeah, so this is my mirror and I love it. It's quite big, as you can see. Like, it's taller than me, but because it's slanted, you can't really see it. But yeah, it's quite nice. You can see your whole outfit in it. You don't have to go far back to see, but it's amazing. It's a lovely long mirror. It was £100 from the range. So if you're looking for a mirror like this, £100 from the range, please. Elephant in the room. Well, not the elephant in the room, the biggest thing in the room, which I literally got within the second or third day or fourth day of moving in. I literally was on a budget. I was on a small budget, and I managed to get this bed frame from eBay for £150. Budget. Can I hear a ka-ching? I think that is quite amazing, to be honest, that I was able to get this bed frame for £150 from eBay. Ordered it, I think, the Tuesday or the Monday. The mattress was another £100, memory foam mattress from eBay. It's really comfortable. It was from eBay as well. The pillows are just standard pillows. They're from IKEA, the pillows. I've got memory foam, I think, pillows in the front, and the back are just standard pillows. The cushions, on the other hand, go with my velvet theme, are from B&M. I think this was £5.99 and this one was £7.99. The middle ones, I used to have 2 of these, but my daughter got a hold of it and the cat and ripped the gems off, so there was a massive hole in them. I was like, yeah, they had to go. But they were from B&M as well, and I think they were £4.99. But yeah, and my bed sheets, and this blanket at the end is from B&M. I love a B&M, if you couldn't tell. And the teddy bear mister was a Valentine's gift from, what was that? What is the flower place called? I can't remember now. But yeah, it was a gift together nicely. You can see that my favourite colour or theme was silver. Now, what everyone always asks me about, my side table. I think it's so beautiful. It has like sparkly, which majority of them don't. They normally just have the plain mirrored look. But I thought, you know what? My bed, to match my picture frames, I needed some sparkles. And you know what, every little girl, every girl needs some sparkles in their life. So yeah, these were the sparkles, and they got really cute knobs. This is from B&M. It was £99 from B&M, I think. 80 to £99 just for one. I only wanted one because I knew on the other side I wanted my mirror. But yeah, at first, funny enough, I really struggled to fill it. Like, I thought, what am I gonna put in here? Like, I have nothing to put in here. And then slowly but surely they got filled. That is just rubbish. That is like my old diary, some paperwork, phone boxes. This one has got like my sleep bonnets, my Vicks, my receipts. And then somebody made this for me, which I thought was very lovely. And when they gave it to me, I said, when I get my flat, it's going to be in my flat. It was a gift. I'll at the person. And then these picture frames, they just go well. Like, the sun is shining. Look at that lighting. Glistening.
I got this thing on my wrist and it's glistening.
I'd call it crushed velvet lamp to match my crushed velvet bed. That was from B&M as well. Woo, shock horror, B&M. But yeah, I just love the detail of it. I thought it was so cute. And then I loved it even more because it matched my lampshade from B&M, obviously. But yeah, they're actually matching stuff. The funniest thing is I bought everything one by one. Like, my bed was the first thing, and the mattress. Then for like a month I had no side table, then that came. Then for another month I had no mirror, then the mirror came. And then another month later I did the picture frames. The funniest story about this plastic put on my windows. Basically, the day I got my granddad to come and put the wallpaper up, we tried to get him to put up curtains that my friend had bought me for my birthday. And the funniest thing ever is it was not sticking. Like, my granddad could not fit, it was not working. My granddad tried, his drill couldn't fit, he couldn't fit. So it was like, how did the person who lived here before put up curtains? And then we realized there was like little curtain rails. So they used to have maybe them old-fashioned knitted granny curtains, and I was like, no, I don't want them. So I went to Homebase and I found these sticky water things. You literally just stick them on with water and you rub it with a, oh gosh, it's falling off, oh no, I've got to fix that. You just wet it, then get a cloth and then stick it back on, basically stick it on with a wet cloth. And it was so handy because look, I get lots of light and privacy at the same time. I think it's amazing, light and privacy. Who doesn't want light and privacy? And this is a picture of us in Morocco. I actually made this myself by sticking it onto the back of this photo frame. Yeah, it's like a nice collage. If you notice, throughout my house, when I do my front room tour, all the pictures I have are of me smiling or other people smiling, because that's what you need around your house. You need smiles, you need joy, you know, you need light. And this is just junk corner, my hairbrushes, a bit of hair grease, a book that I've been trying to read forever. And this is from Paris. We got this when we went to Paris, I think 4 years ago now, yeah. Wow, time is flying. And this is my least favorite part of my room. This ugly built-in wardrobe that I haven't been able to revamp yet. But hopefully my next future video tour, this will be revamped, recolored, and have a lovely mirror on it. I absolutely hate it. The reason why I haven't done anything with it yet is because if I knock it out, there's no carpet there. So now I'll have to find matching carpet. It would be excess stress, but yeah, it's ugly and I don't like it. But it holds majority of my clothes. The rest of my clothes are in containers here because I got too much clothes. Way too much. My affirmations on a shelf that is falling down. That should show me that my affirmations and my visions are gonna come to pass. But yeah, so that basically concludes my room. There's actually not much in there. But yeah, that basically concludes my room tour. My room is pretty basic, but it does what it's supposed to. Keeps me warm at night, keeps me cozy, and I'm pretty much proud of everything I've been able to do in the 6 months that I've been here. So yeah, my room tour concluded. Oh yeah, I do hate that wire. I do, if I'm honest. That extension lead, but there's no way of, what's the word? hiding it and without making it look silly. So I just thought leave it like that. There are a few things that I would like to change eventually, like the cupboard, the wires, repaint, fresh white. But for now, my room is doing me perfectly fine. I'm absolutely happy with the way it is. So yeah, and I'm grateful to God that I was able to do it in under 6 months. And yeah, bargain places that I recommend everybody look at. Wayfair, because Wayfair was the majority of the things was out of my budget, I didn't end up buying anything from there, but I did get inspiration. So I thought, oh my gosh, that looks good. Let me find something similar to that. Maybe for example, it was a lamp. Oh my gosh, that lamp would go so well in my room. Out of my budget. Whoa, gotta rethink it. And then try and find something like that in a cheaper place like B&M, The Range, Home Bargain. Not that I have anything in here from Home Bargain, but those were the places people recommended. But The Range was #1 for my mirror. My bed was eBay. The mattress, eBay. If you're on a budget, search eBay, because I was on a tight budget and was still able to create a comfortable, cozy room with all the things that I wanted. But yeah, I think that's basically it. So I've been able to tell you where everything is from. Yeah, and that's the main thing. Yeah, so my room tour complete. My basic room tour during quarantine. Whoa. Guys, remember to stay safe, wash your hands, take lots of vitamins and look after yourself, because that virus is no joke.